Hello YouTube, got another box today, and it is connected to the mufflers I bought earlier. Now, like I told you before, I bought a 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis. It's the GS, not the LS model. The LS model has more options. In my case, since I got the GS, it doesn't come with the LSE performance package, which is suspension and exhaust. And with the exhaust system on my car, I got a single exhaust, wide pipe into a muffler into a single tailpipe. And because of that, the horsepower on the stock engine was restricted to about 224 horsepower. Now, if I would have had the LS with the dual exhaust, it would have been up to 239. So I'm going to fix that. Like I said, I bought two mufflers, but I also need a way to connect them to the catalytic converters and make it true dual exhaust. So I bought this. Let's open it up so we can take a look. And here it is. It's an H-pipe for the 2003 Mercury Marauder. This will fit on the Grand Marquis, and basically these are the flanges that bolt to the catalytic converters. Then you got an H-pipe hanger and the ends where you can put whatever kind of muffler you want. Now, you already seen I'm going to put flow pack mufflers, and the tailpipes, I'm going to have the muffler shop fat me up a pair of tailpipes, and I'm going to put like some Marauder tips on it. But that's basically it. And the thing about it is, this H-pipe only cost me 80 bucks. So that's another unboxing, more to come, and hopefully my car will be ready soon. Until then, I'll see you.